Alright, so this is the hidden panel in the living room of the Tiny, and what I'm having trouble with is I have these magnetic connectors and then these plunge holders, so they press up into the wheels of the holders and they hold this panel in. But what happens is that when people are moving around upstairs, the loft flexes a little bit and these lose their grip. So what I'm going to do is add a lock. So that'll lose the covert nature of the storage area, but on the other hand, it makes it secure. So then maybe it'll be a little bit more convenient to take down and put up. But the bottom line is that it'll be more usable. So we're going to install that lock right now, put it back in and see how it does. So step one, drill the hole. Okay, let's go put it in.